back. You're watching Republic TV. In the last 4 days, 15 terrorists have been gunned down in Jammu and Kashmir. It's a big win for India in the fight against terror. My colleague Zeenat brings us this report from Shopian. Today the update is that 5 more terrorists have been eliminated.
Clean and clear operation in South Kashmir, Shopian for the last 4 days, and some 14 terrorists neutralized by 12th sector. And here again we are joined by 12th sector commander Brigadier Ajay Koch. Thank you, sir, for talking to Republic. Such a big success for the last 4 days we are seeing. Why is it that, was it that the Shopian was a focus for the security forces because the way the militants were carrying activities here?
We've been focusing on the militants in Shopian for last quite some time. Shopian, over a period of time, had increased concentration of terrorists here. The terrorism hub had shifted from Sopur to Shopian, and we were focusing on the leadership, and we are happy that we've been able to do our task successfully.
So how do you see the position of militant outfits who are now working in coordination after such a huge blow? In 4 days, some 14 number has gone.
It's been a major setback for the Hizbul Mujahideen, Jaish-e-Mohammed, and they would certainly carry out some kind of regrouping, and we are prepared for that. My appeal to all the terrorists and also to the parents of the local terrorists is to surrender. We will provide all kind of assistance to you to come back to the mainstream.
How do you see the situation in Shopian, particularly after the elimination of these terrorists?
Shopian happens to be a apple belt. Last year, by presence of the terrorists here in Shopian, the poor farmers, the orchard growers, suffered a lot of loss. I'm sanguine with this elimination of these 14 terrorists in this area. There would be peace, and the apple growers and the orchard growers will be able to make up the loss they suffered last year.
How do you see the position of Jaish and LET, the Pak-based terrorist outfits working in South Kashmir?
The numbers have reduced drastically. They have come down to the numbers of 2016, and we are very confident and hopeful they all would be eliminated.
Just 2 days back, there was an alert that was sounded by Jammu Kashmir Police asking all the forces to remain alert because it was about one more IED car that was on run.
There have been regular inputs of IEDs and vehicle IEDs in Shopian and Pulwama. We are prepared. All necessary drills are in place. All standard operating procedures against the IEDs are taken. And we have been successful in eliminating 2 IED experts in this area, the Munna Bihari and Fauji Bhai, and one odd Pak terrorist trained in IEDs, namely Walid Bhai, is there, and we are very hopeful to get him soon.
Terrorist bed of Shopian is going to see relief in coming days as the security forces in less than 4 days have neutralized some 14 terrorists. And in fact, it was a blow not only to Hizbul Mujahideen but also to Lashkar-e-Toiba. Today morning early, encounters started here in Shopian, and it was the area Sogu where the militants today have been neutralized. Early hours, the operation started after the militants fired upon the security forces, triggering an encounter. In around 7 hours operation, 5 terrorists were neutralized by the security forces who were involved in all unlawful activities. Simultaneously, Army is making once again appeal to all those terrorists, the misguided one, to come back home because they will be facilitated in the best possible manner. And whosoever will not listen, they will meet the fate.